Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video because we're gonna be unboxing my Fabfitfun spring box, and also we're gonna be announcing the giveaway winner for the starter box. So if you want to see who won and what I got on my spring box, please keep watching. If it's just the first time you ever seen my face, this beautiful face, and never heard of me or even know me, please don't forget to subscribe and turn notification bells to when you get it post a new video. And also follow me on social media. I have the links all right here, and also have the links in my description. You guys can follow me and to catch up on my videos and to see when I'm gonna do another giveaway. So this video is gonna be all about unboxing. Got this huge box that I got from Fabfitfun, and I am so excited to unbox it for you guys. I am so excited. So it's such a big box. Look at that, it's so big. That's what she said. So anyway, so let's see and open it up. It's the actual box, and I'm so excited to actually review it. So here we have something. We have some coupons, I believe. Oh, and then we have something from HelloFresh. 10 free meals including free shipping. Ooh, claimed within 30 days. Oh, this is really cool. I'm gonna try this out. So here you go. So here we have the Fabfitfun newspaper. So it shows you everything that you pick right here. See that? So pretty. So it shows me all the products I got. Is it? Wait, I didn't get that. I already opened it. Okay, so so it shows you what you can get in the box. But yeah. Alright, I'm so excited. Let's open it up. Let's rip it. There you go. It's already placed. Okay, so first product here, we have a necklace. It's pretty. So this is a necklace. I will wear a necklace, and let me see how much this product costs. It says, it should say in the newspaper right here. So yeah. So this also is a double coin necklace. So this necklace is $50. Not bad, and it's pretty, but it's a coin thing. I mean, okay, so let me clarify. The moment that I subscribed to Fabfitfun, I actually wasn't able to pick what I wanted to get because I was too late, so I wasn't able to pick it. I would be picking that. I'm like, I don't want it. I want makeup, but I got something. So I got this. This is cardigan. Now this cardigan, it's 100. Earlier I saw it, what I was getting in my box, but I guess I missed it. I saw it somewhere. Anyway, so this is 100. This is $100. It's a nice cardigan. I saw it. I was like, I haven't opened it, so I'm gonna open it right now. And it's pretty nice. And I can't believe this is $100. I will never spend something this much as this, but it's so pretty. You see, it's so. Ooh, it's so warm because right now it's like raining, so it will be nice to wear it right now. But I look fabulous. I don't want to wear this. So hey, I will wear this. That's not weird. Now, next item that I got, it's a brush. Now this brush is from Area Beauty, and I love it because it's rose gold. You guys know I love rose gold, and it's so pretty. And let me see. Wow. Now this product is $5. And oh, it's kind of like a mirror. Oh wow, look at my makeup. It looks so good. Yeah, this is $35. So I'm gonna replace it from the other one that I have. I'm gonna throw it away. I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, next item. Now here, ooh, now this is something that I love. Now this is the makeup finishing spray. Now this product, wow, well I guess it's right here. And I don't know how much this product is, but I never heard of this brand. Skin Deep Navia, but it's a setting spray, and you guys know I love setting spray, so I'll be using this product. But it's kind of weird that it's not on the newspaper here in the magazine, but I guess something that I just picked and put it on my. Now this product I've been wanting to try. This is the from Murid. Okay, so this is a Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. So I think this is something that we're gonna get on boxycharm. Oh my god, so okay. It is. It kinda is. So it's a infusion rapid collagen. Sounds fancy, but it's a fast-acting treatment helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and immediately restore a youthful appearance. I'm 31 years old and I'm noticing wrinkles in my eyes. You don't know that. But so cool. I wasn't like expecting this, but I always wanted to try product from Mirai. I will be getting something from boxycharm. I think it's a foam cleanser from Mirai, so it's kind of pretty cool because I'm doing my skincare routines, and I love to. Now here we have some straws. Reusable straws, silicone straws, 4 silicone straws, brush cleaner, and plastic case. Ooh, you guys know we have to be green. Save the turtles, save the sea turtles, save Aquaman. You know those things. Save Aquaman. So here you go. So let's open this up. I love the color. Ooh, I love this little. Ooh, fancy. Yeah, I'll definitely be gonna be using this because you guys know we're gonna be helping the turtles. So I love this product. It's so pretty. And they're called Chic and Tonic. So Chic and Tonic. So where is that at? Oh, actually, the Murad thing was $78. God damn, what the fuck? Why is it so expensive? But this product is $15. That's not bad. $15. Lipstick. This is from Winky Locks. I've been hearing a lot of Winky Locks, and the packaging is so pretty. Kind of looks like a bullet. And what is this? Is this like rainbow? And this product is $18. Ooh, looks good. I have lipstick on right now, but it's such a pretty packaging. I love that. That's so pretty. I think right now you can find them at Target. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna check out the products. I heard they're vegan and cruelty free, so I'm gonna check them out. And last but not least, we have here a deep sleep body cocoon. I think this is a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better night and brighter mornings. It's a lotion. Never heard of this brand. I never heard of a lotion that will make you fall asleep. But this product is $40. So this product is $40. So if it's that much, maybe it will work. That's it. Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So yeah. And let's see how it smells. It smells like chemicals. Why does it smell like chemicals if it's a lotion? So massage nightly into hands and body and breathe in deeply. What's it made of? I mean, I have no idea. Oh, okay, so that's pretty. I have no idea what it's made of, but the smell kind of smells like chemicals. And I will figure it will smell something like good, but it smells like chemicals. And that's so weird that it smells like that. What's it made of? Let's say, but I will be using this if it helps you breathe the skin, calm you down after a stressful day, because that's what I need right now. But other than that, it's good box. So that's it. That's all the unboxing. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. Wow. 8 items for $50. That's pretty much not bad. It is not bad at all. I mean, it's pretty cool So you get this, and then the brush. I actually love the brush. It's big. It seems like a really good, and it looks like it has like a mirror type thing, but it's like looks like a really good material, not the dollar store material, but it's kind of like cool. And the setting spray, I wasn't expecting a setting spray, but now that I got it, I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna give you a full review on this product. And then of course the Murad. My whole box was worth $300, I believe. Yes, $300. But sometimes, you know, maybe they can exaggerate on the price, like, you know how boxycharm does it. But other than that, it was a really good box. So we have the Murad, was actually pretty good. $78. That's like $80 for that small bottle. That's crazy insane. But yeah, that's my spring box. I'm so happy because of getting it. I was so excited. Okay, so on my apartment, I actually shut down the mail room that we have to receive packages. So what I did, I had to actually go to my mail provider, which is UPCS, something like that. I had to get it myself over there because I didn't want them to bring it over here and I wasn't home. They would have stolen it and I would have been so pissed off. I would have burned the place down. But I actually went and got it and I was like so happy. I might do that for my boxycharm too because I don't want to somebody steal it, because you know there are a bunch of rednecks and hillbillies here. And yeah, that's my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy my unboxing. I can't wait for what are we, spring? With spring, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. So this is a spring box. I'll be getting summer box like around June. That's what I noticed, that they're gonna charge me again $50. But it's a pretty good box. Now Fabfitfun is like 4 times a year, so it's not bad for the price. It's pretty much not bad. Okay guys, the moment is through is here. We're gonna pick the winner for the giveaway. So I have like right here already for the giveaway. So I put the link and the ad to choose the people that are gonna get picked. So we have 10 comments right now. And we're gonna start. We're gonna choose the 3 winners. I'm so excited. Yay! Okay, first winner. That's the first winner. Now let's pick the second winner. Second winner, Bear. Yay! Bear, the second winner. Now let's pick another winner. Kiana Styles MUA. Congratulations. We have picked the third winner. Yay! Congratulations, Kiana. Shara and Lopo, something like that. I'm sorry. What was it? Oh, I did it. Well, anyways, those are the 3 winners. Congratulations. I'll be emailing you guys and contacting you guys through email. Oops, I have to stop it. Through email and send you guys the link so you guys can get your free box from Fabfitfun. I'm so excited. You guys only have to pay $5. That's not bad. $5 for $200 worth of product. I mean, that's not even bad. So congratulations to the winners. Congratulations. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you guys so much for entering the giveaway. And the other people that didn't win, please, you know, stay tuned. I'll be having more giveaways so I can share for you guys. Some more giveaways are coming up, so don't feel sad because there'll be more giveaways coming up. So stay tuned. Don't unsubscribe, because I know you guys are gonna do the whole thing. Unsubscribe, unfollow, blah blah blah. You guys, I know you guys. So anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Follow me on social media, updates, shenanigans. So we can talk, you know, let me know. I'll be here always. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.